Ka Central Executive Committee ne CEC jongka United Democratic Party hakasingi thoding kata hakalai phauterik jilliu kalapulong ye kajingelang banyatai hakabede bak reservation policy ka roster system badru hakabede bak General Council ka party ka banlong hau banai naitung jongka atpakhandai tarik Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor, U General Secretary Kapati, Dr. Jamino Mautho, Ulaytho, Hakani Kajingalang, Kami Kajing Ajing Mut, Nagidukot Hakabede, Bikijing Tho, Kabana Kapati, Katmu Ban Aisha Committee, Bakasorkar, Katung Ban Pet, Yakajing Pynkhreh Reservation Policy. Ulaytho Hakajing Shisha, Nakaliang Kapati, Kalamut Ban Palat Pat Ba Yakajing Ajing Mut, Kiba Kapati, Katmu Ban Aisha Kasorkar, Henry Namar, Hakajingalang Kidon Shu Kajing Ajing Mut, Nakatakadao Kapati, Kampat La Ban Yathu ikita kijing ajing mut bakan Asia ka committee. Ulai thu baka CEC kala IT ha ka core committee ka party ban Pynkhreh janai yakani kijing ajing mut ka balami akani kijing elang bat ban IT syakani ka committee bala clear ka kong amprin lingdo. Habakren Halor ka General Council ka ban Shillong ulong baka CEC kala thungi ki prangut ki dkhot ka nomination committee na ka Bynta bakin terwa syaka General Council ki nongelam bathamai jong ka party namar ka samoi terekam kani ka CEC ka lakut.
See, I have only this to say. UDP has been able to provide the much needed stability in the state of Meghalaya. Whether you talk of the last MDA government, whether in the state government or in the two district councils, in KHADC or GHADC. And if you look at the present functioning of the last, the KHADC headed by the UDP, it was a smooth sailing for the last 4 years. And many important bills also have been passed. And everything was fine, everything was okay. The district council was stable. It was running smoothly. So, and the partners, Iatai and the executive council of the HADC also have been working together, very effectively. But unfortunately, I don't know, because it is only about a number game, it is not about issues. Because as far as functioning of the UDP-led EC in the district council, I think it has been doing a very, very good job. And this has lasted for 4 years, just imagine. It has provided stability. Bapol is also there.
If they are doing good, why they change? That you have to ask them.
That you have to ask NPP. You ask NPP.
But what do you
We have deliberated a lot on the office memorandums. Office memorandum, in fact, all the documents, right from the year 1972, from the principal resolution of the reservation policy and all the office memorandums, the amendments that were made, and then we have also looked at it from the constitutional point of view, from the legal point of view, from the educational point of view, from the economic point of view, and so on and so forth. So all these parameters also have been taken into consideration. So all these points which we have deliberated, we have incorporated in the observations that we've made. But since today, when we presented the same to the CEC members had given us suggestions. So we thought that we will incorporate some of the suggestions that has been given to us by the members, because we have to respect the members coming from the different districts also. And then after we have articulated all the views and suggestions, we will make it public and present it to the minister concerned, who is the chairman of the committee heading this, the committee on all the comprising of all the political parties. So we will also give our views and suggestions.
in your last meeting?
Since you have mentioned about that, we have taken a stand on this, and our stand is very clear that the roster system should be implemented prospectively. That is from the date of issue of notification of the office memorandum, the latest one. So it has to be from the date of issue of the notification of the office memorandum. So that is why our stand is prospectively and not retrospectively. That is very clear.
No, that is clear in the cabinet.
That is clear also in the cabinet.
Why you have not read it properly? new cabinet OM clearly makes a distinct point that the new OM supersedes the OM of 2022, which spoke about implementing it retrospectively. 23, the latest OM, says it will be from the date that this OM is issued, meaning it is prospective.
Haka General Council nomor Meghalaya Bynta kasamui rekam jong ke parti UDP haka state level ke license. Ke license kelakut bat Bynta in belong biang ya ke cincit ikinong kitkam matmai jong ke UDP haka art penai tulik mentau penai.
Bulan Julai. Julai ya.
Oh, penai sorry. Penai melwan. Ilanai nak kalian jungi. Di nama lupa hadiah mengiwara ya kan dia pada hakan ke CEC. Di nak kalian jungi dapat ke CEC. Kila ajin buat show hak bayi dia buat kan ke reservation policy. But kila authorize ya ke core committee jom ke party. Ke party leaders. Bahkan le ya ke penungkam mansu ya ke jing ajin buat jom kini ke members jom central executive committee but hari ni kita lihat sengit kan support alai sengit in sepalat padma ya kan ni ke jing ai jing mut nak kalian jungi buat ka stand ke jungi aku bai dei buat kan ke reservation policy buat ka roster system.
The party has been able to form in whatever ways, whatever platforms. It's because of the participation, the willingness and the support from each and every member of the party, be it from the senior most to the junior most member of the party, and to the well-wishers as well.